Good morning, everybody. My name is Jeff.White here at World Class Guaranty RV. First thing you notice, we have these Rayco electric jacks right here. Nice heavy-duty bolt pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bolts holding that on there. Very reinforced, very strong. Nice bumpers here, so when you back the truck up, you don't hit the Arctic Fox itself, you run into the bumpers. Nice one-piece cap here in the front. Helps keep things from leaking. This is really in great shape. Decals are still very nice. Remember, this is a 2017 we just took in on trade. Huge slide out. Couple different compartments here, refrigerator areas. One key ingredient I like is they give you a sticker that says center of gravity. So no confusing where the center of gravity is. Nice little storage area right here. Huge window on this big slide out. 30 amp plug is right down here. Nice access to your drains. Spot for the remote control for the electric jacks. On the back side here we have a nice big awning, electric awning that pulls out. And it really goes out quite a ways, folks. It probably comes out 10, 12 feet. Nice ladder to get up on top. Remember, Arctic Fox is one of those ones you see advertised where there's 30 people on top. So you can have roof storage. Comes with a nice generator, 2500 watt Onan generator. It's LP gas because it's got a lot of gas, LP gas on board. Nice Fox landing. Very easy entry into this, and all you have to do is pull this and it folds up. Pull it back and it folds down. Makes entering the camper super easy even for a big guy. Huge grab rail, window in the door, nice speakers on the back. Behind here is a nice pull-out tray to store things in. Right here you'll see it's plumbed for gas line, so you can set your barbecue out here. Very, very convenient. Remember, this is made by Northwood, Arctic Fox. Water heater. We'll give you new batteries if you like. And one thing to keep in mind, all you have to do is to pull it out, to work on things, is to pull that switch. A little lever right there. I mean, just pull that out, it's all set. Easy to get to. You're not having to reach back in there and do things. Satellite ready, plugs, water accessibility, propane tank. You get those full when you purchase from us. And here is the bolt pattern I was talking about. On the outside is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, plus 3 on the bracket. Automatic jacks, you just push a button and they level themselves. More windows on this side, LED lights. The decals are in great shape. This one is clean. This will go really quick. And by the way, this step removes if you'd like to take it off. It just has a couple pins. Okay. First thing I want to point out is this 992 has a dry bath. Go in there and check it out. So it gives you more floor space. If you have big dogs, you like to have room in the floor, but having a dry bath is very important if you like to have a little bit more floor space right here. Some people think it takes away the floor space, some people think it doesn't. But this has a dry bath. Nice big storage area right here. Hanging closet. Air conditioning unit. A little bit of storage right there. Arctic Fox does a really good job of utilizing all the space for storage. Stainless steel microwave. Pretty good size for a camper. Hood vent with all your controls right here. Easy to read when it's all plugged in. Stainless steel cover, 3 burners, and a nice stainless steel oven. One thing I like about this is it's got a dual sink. One's a little bit bigger, but you got nice windows right here. This one opens up and is all set to go. Nice little spray hose. Storage underneath here. And drawers for your silverware. Stainless steel knobs, birch drawers, stainless steel guides. Very convenient. Silverware and spatulas and everything go right there. Over here on this side we have this nice booth set up where you can sit and play cards. Nice and deep. 4 people can sit here. Remember, we have the storage on the outside. More storage here. Heater vent right there. And more storage here. Nice big deep drawer. Put all your manuals in there. Above us we have the light switch for outside the porch light. And we have a skylight with a nice shade up here. It really helps keep the sun out if you choose. And more storage up here. Now remember, these are solid wood cherry doors. Over here we have a Northwood refrigerator and freezer. Plenty of space for your whole week of camping. That's about what size refrigerator we have when we go, and it lasts about a whole week, and we have 3 or 4 of us going. Of course, we have an ice chest with all the drinks and stuff in it. Up here we have a nice sized bed, queen bed with all the cabinets, storage on each side, hanging closets, reading lights, fantastic fan, skylight with the blinds, more storage there. You got windows on each side so it doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. And then it has a TV in here and more storage. There is a lot of storage inside of these things. Very nice, comfortable bed, really. You may have to put a little pillow top on it, but really comfortable. It's got plug-ins in here, so if you have a CPAP machine, you can hook it right up there and go right to sleep, take a nap and stuff like that. So my name is Jeff.White at World Class Guarantee RV. If you'd like to take a look at this 2017 992 Arctic Fox camper that we just got in, please give me a call at 541-617-1840 or shoot me a text or send me an email at Jeff.White@Guaranty.com. And remember, if you can't remember Jeff, remember Bam Bam. Everybody knows the cartoons Pebble and Bam Bam. Everybody knows me here as Bam Bam. So I'm sure you'll have more questions about this. Please don't hesitate to call or email me, and we'll set you up for a lot visit, or I help you out on the phone. I can send you more pictures, whatever you like. Thanks for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.